The Great Waterton Station's coming up. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Again! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the lava quarry. Forward leads to Brendam Docks. Left leads to the Sodor Steamworks. Forward leads to the lava quarry. Forward leads to the lava quarry. Left leads to the pig farm. We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Forward leads to the pig farm. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Right leads to Knapford Station. Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Knapford Station's just ahead. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Cool! Good job! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Where to now? Forward leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Right leads to next stop, Cannonball Curve. What type of wagon should we pull?